often. So this is a 2012 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution. If you ever played the game on the PlayStation series, this is a very popular car in the Gran Turismo video game. So one of my favorites, and it's a very classic tuner car. Yeah, so this is a XPEL Prime XR series for the window tint. So we actually did the entire car on this in 70% shade with the Prime XR Blue. So you can see, like, we just did this today, so it is a bit bluish in terms of the hue, and for the windshield, and we also did the rest for the car. So this was a special owner request because he wanted something else different, rather than having those natural black. He wanted to have a bit of that Mercedes feel, whereas some of the factory tinted cars have that bluish hue to it. So for the ones who's looking to achieve that, you want to go with the Prime XR Blue for that case. Comparing with the Prime XR Blue versus the other series, there is no difference other than the color itself. What are the two kinds of film that I have here? And both of these are the XPEL Prime XR series, but in different colors. So over here, this is a Prime XR Black, and this is a Prime XR Blue. So the difference with these, even though shade percentages are the same, this is a 70% shade in terms of light transmission. So the difference is just really the color and how much dye it's used. So obviously, depending on personal preference, some owners might want a natural, like a darkish look to it in terms of having a tint, but some would like a bit of a shade of blue. So it's really just for appearance and personal preference. So those are the differences with the XR series.